Let's make French fries in the air fryer. Begin by rinsing, drying, then peeling your potatoes. Peeling is optional. Then use a knife or fry cutter and cut the potatoes into fry shapes. Add the sliced potatoes into a medium bowl with cold water. Then add about a tablespoon of salt. Let them soak in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This will help to reduce the starch in the potatoes. Next, drain and then dry the potato slices on a paper towel. Place in a bowl and then drizzle on some cooking oil, like olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil. This is optional but adds a little flavor and helps them to get crispy in the air fryer. Set the air fryer to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. Add the potatoes to the basket. And then place in the air fryer and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the basket and give it a shake. Put it back in the air fryer. Set the heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 Celsius, and cook for about 15 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Place the French fries on a plate with a paper towel and dry any excess oil. Then serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.